Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. ZTE is introducing the latest Nubia Z70.
下午的航班吗？
好的，马上为您执行。哈尔滨离深圳7分之1，请注意。
订一张后天从深圳去哈尔滨的机票。
您对航班有什么要求吗？
订一张下午的。
好的，马上为您执行。未来几天回程的航班会涨价，最好早点预定哦。
Nubia Z70 Ultra will be 12 and 16 GB of RAM. And futuristic features. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Nubia Z70 Ultra will be packed with AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.8 inches screen size and offering the 120Hz refresh rate and resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels. Nubia Z70 Ultra will run on one of the most powerful chipsets, which is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, with support of an octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno, with 256, 512 GB and 1 TB storage options. You will find an extra large battery that gives you the backup of the entire day on just one charge. That's all for now and thanks for watching.